Yo, yo, my sovereigns, what up? This is Boba Fett, uncensored on the internet. As you would have seen from previous videos, we did a lot more at Talentland 2025 than just simply manning the stand, providing information and onboarding people who are coming to the stand. We were also out and about in Guadalajara, visiting the local businesses that expressed interest and onboarding them in their place of residence. These short clips that I've put together for you came from the Berlin Bretzel Wagon, a business we onboarded in Guadalajara, as is suggested by the name. It is a German beer house that sells pretzels. Also German classics like Bratwurst and Currywurst, that kind of thing. But the main focus on this particular video was showing you how to program your own NFC device, because Achim, the owner of the pub, he had two NFC devices of his own. One was a German flag, the other was a pretzel. So Starkers showed him how to program his NFC German flag to be a Hive debit card. Once that's done, we then make a purchase with his German flag. And that German flag, he can use that anywhere as a Hive debit card to pay with HBD. So check this out. Just in a minute. So here we are at the Berlin Bretzel Wagon in Guadalajara in Mexico. We're just doing a bit of an onboarding workshop with Achim. Achim, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. And we've just ordered some food and it is just so amazing. I just had to show you. This is Currywurst. Classic German icon. Classic German icon. Starkers, what exactly are you doing there?
I'm going to turn the German flag into a Hive debit card. So we can
Serious?
How to pay with the German flag.
Okay, this will be interesting.
So, first thing to do is go to Google Chrome.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, and then go to hivedebit.com. Yep. Create tarjeta. Put the username of the account with the card. Make sure it's lowercase. Lowercase. This account is called. I'm going to spell it.
Deutsche Flagge. Yeah, I'm sorry, I've got the back of.
Do you like 20? 20, this is for your daily limit, so. Then paste and then escribe tarjeta. Yeah. And then press OK. So go back to Hive debit. And again back. It's OK. So now let's write an invoice to pay with the flag. So now you're going to create an invoice to the bar.
Okay. Balance.
Balance, yes.
No, sea simple. Fue el que te dije en San José.
Yep.
Es el original.
Just do for one. So this is one HBD, like that. And I don't know if I think a German should pay with the German flag.
Okay.
Let's see if payment happen. Put the pin.
Sí, voy.
We have the German flag.
Now,
Now we're going to do a vlog. Was asking for a nice day. Yeah.
Pero es como en el auditorio, ¿no? Ahí no se hace como desmadre. No, es cagadero.
Social media.
Hive is like the coin.
Yeah.
HBD is like a stable coin.
Yes. Hive is just like any other coin. It's up and down.
It's
volatile.
governance stuff.
Okay, HP
HP is the
VIP.
Staking.
staked.
Ah, okay, stake.
It's locked.
Okay.
But it gives you governance rights and it gives you the resources.
And on the social media side, if you read someone's post and you like it, and you like their, you will reward them based on your investments.
Yeah.
For example, right now, if I like your post, I give you a thumbs up, that will be 3 cents. Now, I'm not giving you 3 cents of my money.
No,
I'm creating that 3 cents and giving
but
it
we
to
don't
you.
do this. Didn't this in the past?
This is what I've been doing for the last 7 years. This is the side. Remember I said people come from different directions?
Yeah.
This is the
Yeah.
side I came from, creating content,
We're very
curating.
different animals on the chain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like more trying to build apps and create utility, but Bob's a content creator.
See, Hive is a tool.
But I can't
You-
create content. I'm shit.
No, you're always right.
that,
But he's very good.
And what I do on the blockchain is 1%, not even 1% of what the blockchain can do. But I've specialised in an area. Starkers, he's specialised in a different area.
Yeah.
People find their niche.
You're
It's
a
a
business
tool
man.
to, yeah.
Because we don't even understand that side as much as what you will.
Yeah.
You know?
And we've had 12 people working together for the last 4 days with no boss. Okay, we look to him for guidance because
Well, I'm not the boss.
he has reputation. We know he knows what he's talking about.
Yeah.
But he's not going to come and say, hey Bob, I need you to do this, or it's like, go fuck. In the real world of life, you can't get ahead when you wake up every morning dead. Yeah, you heard me right, you heard what I said. So to escape from the dream, the pill you need is red. I'll share with you some meaning I found in the dreaming, a philosophy in life towards which I'm leaning. It begins in the heart as a feeling that's fleeting, but unless cherished and honoured, will sink up a beating. Because it's fragile, you see, when it first starts to be. Well, hey, at least that's how it seems to me, but I can only share with you my own point of view. What you do with that, that's up to you. So take it to your head or take it to your heart. Take it anywhere, just take it and start. A new way of life where thinking comes first and action comes later. Check it. It works. Bob Fett.